Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice without a wok. First, ensure you have day-old, chilled rice. This is crucial for a non-soggy texture. Next, gather all your ingredients, including your chosen protein, vegetables, and sauces. Take the time to chop everything into small, uniform pieces. This preparation step is key for even cooking and a perfect result, making the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in your largest skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your protein, such as chicken or shrimp, and cook it thoroughly until it's done. Remove the cooked protein and set it aside. In the same pan, add your aromatics like minced garlic and grated ginger. Sauté these for approximately 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant, but be careful not to burn them. Next, it's time for the vegetables. Add your harder vegetables like carrots or bell peppers and stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add softer vegetables such as peas or corn. Push all the ingredients to one side of the pan, and in the empty space, quickly scramble 2 eggs. Once the eggs are cooked, add your day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Mix everything together well. For the grand finale, let's add the flavor. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil directly over the rice. Now, stir everything together vigorously, ensuring all ingredients are evenly coated and heated through. Continue to stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish your delicious fried rice with fresh chopped green onions and serve it immediately for the best possible taste experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.